Hello everyone, welcome back to Dr. T Health Channel. I'm Dr. T, and today we're diving into the amazing health benefits of beetroot, the vibrant red vegetable that many people overlook, but it's actually a powerhouse of nutrition. In this video, we will cover the nutritional power of beetroot, how it helps with anemia, and its impact on immunity, skin, and heart health. The different ways to use beetroot at home in juices, salads, and even soups. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you will see why beetroot deserves a permanent place in your diet. Let's talk at first about the nutritional value of beetroot. Per 100 gram, it contains 43 kilocalories only and 9.6 grams of carbohydrates. And for protein, it contains 1.6 gram and only 0.2 grams of fat. If we talk about the vitamins, it contains 4.9 milligram of vitamin C, which equivalent to 8% daily value, which we need, and about 109 micrograms of B9, which is folate, and 0.1 milligrams of B6 in the trace amount of vitamin A. And for minerals, it contains 0.8 milligrams of iron, 325 milligrams of potassium, and 23 milligrams of magnesium, and 40 milligrams of phosphorus, and 16 milligrams of calcium. So, while beetroot is not extremely high in iron compared to spinach, its real strength lies in the high content of folate, vitamin B9 content, which is essential for producing red blood cells. It also contains vitamin C, which enhances the absorption of iron from other foods. Beetroot pigments called betalains have antioxidant properties that protect blood cells. Drinking beetroot juice or adding it to meals can support the treatment of iron deficiency anemia, especially when combined with other iron-rich foods like lentils, spinach, or lean meat. Beetroot boosts the immune system thanks to its vitamin C, antioxidants, and minerals like magnesium and zinc. It contains natural nitrates, which convert into nitric oxide in the body. This improves blood circulation and oxygen delivery, supporting immune cell function. The antioxidants in the beetroot help fight inflammation and neutralize free radicals, slowing down skin aging. Vitamin C supports collagen synthesis, making the skin healthier and more elastic. Drinking beetroot juice regularly can give the skin a natural glow and help reduce acne by detoxifying the body. Natural nitrates in the beetroot lower the blood pressure by dilating blood vessels. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and support heart function. The dietary fiber in the beetroot helps reduce LDL cholesterol, which is the bad one. Now let's talk about easy ways to use beetroot at home. Number 1, beetroot, orange, and carrot juice. Blend 1 boiled beetroot and add 1 carrot, then add 1 orange and 1 teaspoon of honey, and this juice is perfect for anemia and immunity. Number 2, beetroot yogurt salad. Grated beetroot and plain yogurt, then lemon juice, a pinch of cumin is refreshing and good for digestion. And let's talk about the garlic beetroot stir fry. Slice the beetroot with garlic and olive oil. It's a tasty side dish. And for detox smoothie, you can add beetroot with apple and cucumber and lemon. This is a skin cleansing smoothie. Now we have some precautions. Don't be alarmed if your urine or stool turns reddish after eating beetroot. This condition is called beeturia and it's completely harmless. People with kidney stones or high oxalate levels should consult their doctor before consuming large amounts of beetroot. The best is to consume it in moderation. About 1 to 2 medium beetroots per day is perfect. So, beetroot is not just a colorful vegetable. It's a natural remedy for anemia, a booster for your immunity, a skin-friendly antioxidant, and a protector of your heart. Adding beetroot to your daily routine, whether as juice, salad, or soup, can make a real difference in your energy, vitality, and overall health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video with more health tips. I'm Dr. T. Take care and stay healthy.